Hello, welcome to Chapter 2 of our comprehensive advertiser product series. Today we'll take an in depth look at how you can easily perform influencer and audience discovery to identify the best possible influencers to bring your campaign to life. Influencer discovery is simply the process of uncovering the best creator who can help you achieve your influencer goals for a campaign. We've designed a full suite of tools to help you quickly pick and choose creators to power your next campaign based on a whole range of demographic factors, insights into their followers, and audiences. In this chapter, you'll learn how to get the most out of the discovery process by being able to see more information about creators and their audiences, comparing influencers side to side based on key engagement figures and audiences. This will give you an increased confidence and assurance that you're picking the very best option who can help you achieve your goals for your budget. Make data driven decisions to pick the right influencers to fit what you're trying to achieve. Remember, campaign performance largely hinges on whether or not your influencer mix really connects with your intended audiences. So it's critical to have a firm grasp of these key features to set your campaign up for success. Let's get started. On your Wowzi brand view and the campaign section, click on New Campaign to start your campaign. Once you start your campaign, you're able to enter your campaign details on the first step, and then the second step will be discovering influencers for this video. Enter the campaign name, select the country you want to run the campaign for, select the campaign period, highlight the social media platforms you want to run the campaign on, enter a budget, and you have three options on how to pick influencers. You can custom group pick influencers. This means there are a group of already curated creators within your workspace, and you're able to select them for this campaign. You can select auto select, which means you have an array of filters that you have already predefined. And once you enter them on the system will automatically pick the best creators according to the budget that you have. And finally, you have self-select, which means you are to singly using data to self-select all the influencers that will participate in this campaign. For influencer discovery, we'll go through self-selection. Select your option and click to proceed. On creator discovery, Wowzi has an array of filters that enable you to find the right influencer that you're looking for. You can filter for them using their social media platform, define an age group that you want to target. You can also filter according to gender, the city within the country you pre-selected. You can filter influencers according to their income range, select influencers according to what they post about, where you have an array of options that allow you to select under food and beverage creators. Do you want a gourmet food creator, a seafood creator, or an organic food creator? There's a lot of options to choose from to pick the right influencer for this content. You can also pick creators according to their content type. Are you looking for ad influencers or agri influencers or animal influencers or art influencers? The list goes on and on to find the perfect influencers for your campaign. Next option is being able to filter influencers according to their occupation, ranging from accountants to athletes to CEOs to bankers to drivers and civil servants and so on. You're able to choose the exact type of occupation you want and filter out and find the right influencer. Finally, you can select influencers according to their levels. Are you running a nano campaign or a micro campaign, or are you trying to engage macros and celebrities for this campaign? Once you've set all your filters, you're able to click on apply and see the influencers suggested by the system. Next step is selecting the influencers that interest you for this campaign. Once you've selected influencers, you can click on view more to get more information about these creators. Now, this is the fun part. The next part is using the data provided by Wowzi to understand and identify the exact influencer that you want to participate on this campaign. On the list of influencers you've selected, or on the list of influencers you filtered out, you're able to click and view more on the influencer profile. Under view more, you have information about the influencer ranging from a short bio on who this influencer is, which brands they've worked with, what's their location, and what are they interested in. And then you have a breakdown of their followers, average engagement, average reel plays, average video plays, and average likes. Scrolling down, Wowzi offers you information about the influencer's audience, where you get a breakdown of what is their distribution, what is the audience distribution by gender, by credibility, audience distribution by gender and age, the audience distribution by country and location, and also more insights around the language they speak and what they're interested in. You can view this information on their different social media platforms, so for Instagram or TikTok or others. You're able to see the different aspects about the creator. Something else you can do on the Wowzy Discovery page is compare your creators. So compare two different creators that you've selected and understand how do they compare, stacked next to each other. You can see on general information around engagement, number of followers, and information about the creator, and also around activity, which means a breakdown of their audience demographic. What is their gender distribution by audience? What is their location distribution by audience? And what is their interest distribution by audience? Once done, you're able to select the right influencers and proceed to campaign setup.